everyone, it's Miss Julianne from the Wakanda Area Library, and I don't know if you have noticed a theme this spring break, but it has been about dogs. We love dogs here at the library, and today we're going to learn how to make our very own dog toys using scraps of t-shirt fabric. Now, because this involves using our hands, the rest of the movie is not going to show my face, it's just going to show my hands creating the toy. So I hope we have fun, and let's get ready to learn. Okay, so we're at the table and we are going to make our toy. Now you should have 5 strips of material in your kit. Now yours is probably going to look a little different. I cut up my own t-shirts that were getting really old. The library had different t-shirts that they made their kits out of. Now, if you have 2 smaller pieces, that's what you're going to want to use to tie your ends together. Now, if you don't have 2 smaller pieces, just use 2 pieces that you would like to tie your ends. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to group your 3 together, and you're going to tie one of the 2 pieces that you've set aside, and you're going to knot that. I like to double knot it just in case, especially if you know the doggo that you're making this for is a little rough on the things they love. Now there's several different ways to make something like this. Like I said, we gave you 5 strips, but if you wanted something thicker, if you wanted more colors, you can always use more strips and tie them. There's some variations where you can use things to put a tennis ball in between the ropes. You can make them longer, you can make them wider. This is just what we've given you, but your imagination can turn it into whatever you would like, or if you would like to make a different one. Now, if you have trouble braiding or you're afraid that it's not going to stay, I would suggest taping the ends. Have a grown-up help you tape the ends so you have this that would stay. I am just going to kind of hold it down with my hand, and then I'm going to take my 3 strips, I'm going to separate them. And for my friends that make friendship bracelets or braid, this is going to be easy for you. For my other friends, I'm going to show you how. So what you're going to do is you want to put one over the other. So I always start in the middle. I do that. So I have put the middle one over my purple one, and then I'm going to put my purple over my other one. And now I want to put this one over my purple one. And this is why I didn't do just one color, because I wanted to make sure that I can kind of see the difference. And then you're just going to keep on doing that. You're going to keep on braiding, and it's okay if it takes you a couple times. And if you're having trouble with braiding, you can always knot it too. So I'll even show you. So if you wanted to knot it instead, you would just do this throughout. I'm going to do a little extra. Mine's a little smaller. It's meant for a Chihuahua. His name is Watson. He's a really good boy. But again, if you would like a bigger one, you can cut longer strips. Now you're going to need your grown-ups' help to cut those strips, and you're also going to need your grown-ups' permission to find the right t-shirt. I do not want you destroying a perfectly good t-shirt because you said Miss Julianne said you could. That's not what I'm saying. And then you will have your very own braided, do-it-yourself doggo rope toy. Now I've already made one of these before for Watson, so I know he's going to love it. And here's another thing you can do. If your grown-up says it's okay, you can sneak little treats inside the braid and toss it. And it'll be a good way to give the dog that you enjoy spending time with some treats. And that is how you make your very own dog toy. Have a great day, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!